Remember to wash your hands and all produce before preparing food.
Hey followers, Jacalenne Christian here from Michigan State University Extension. I'm a community nutrition instructor out of Wayne County. And I'm back again today with another recipe from MSU Extension's book, Eating Right is Simple. Today we'll be making our Michigan bean salad. For our Michigan bean salad, we will need some Great Northern beans. We'll need some cherry tomatoes or pear tomatoes, a red onion, celery, and fresh parsley. You can use dried if you have it, any mixture of tomatoes, and I'll show you some options that you can add on at the end. The first thing we want to do is drain our can of beans. Next, we're going to make sure that everything is washed, and we're going to chop our celery, slice our tomatoes, and chop our parsley. For parsley, you just want to gather them all up, kind of roll it into a little ball together. Roll all those little pieces in. Make sure your fingers are pushed back and give it a nice little chop. And remember to go as fast or as slow as you feel comfortable. And now we have our chopped parsley. Now once you have everything already chopped, it's basically all about combining. We have our drained Great Northern beans, we have our chopped celery and red onion, our sliced tomatoes, and our parsley. We're just going to dump these into the bowl here. Our tomatoes go in. And those are garden fresh tomatoes I went and got out from the backyard. And we have some parsley. Now this looks great just like this, doesn't it? We're going to mix it up a little bit here. Now where's the dressing? So you can do a couple of things with this salad here. We can add more vegetables to it. You could add perhaps some wax beans, or you could even add in, we added maybe some green beans, some French style green beans as well. And you could use a vinegar and oil dressing, or you could just use a regular old Italian dressing, a nice light Italian. You're going to want to measure out half a cup of light Italian dressing. So grab you a measuring cup, and you're going to go up to half a cup, but you could do a lot less if you want to. Matter of fact, we're only going to do about 1/4 of a cup. I'm mixing this all together. Here is your Michigan bean salad.
Thank you for watching. Like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content. We would love to hear your feedback through the survey link in the show notes.